In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add FAQs in Wix Studio using a quick and straightforward method. Whether you're setting up your website for a business, a blog, or a personal project, having a frequently asked questions section is an excellent way to provide visitors with the information they need in an efficient and user-friendly format. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have learned how to seamlessly integrate an FAQ section into your Wix website, making it easy for your audience to get answers to their most common questions. So, let's dive right in. The first step is to open Wix Studio. If you're not logged in already, look for the Login button and click on it. Once you're there, you'll see different options to sign in. For this tutorial, let's keep it simple. You can choose to continue with Google, which lets you log in using your Google account. Just click that option, and Wix will automatically connect to your Google credentials, logging you in quickly. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Wix Dashboard. This is the main hub where you can access all the tools available for building and managing your site. What you want to do next is locate the app icon. It's usually easy to find. Just look around the main dashboard area. Once you spot it, click on it to open the app interface. With the app interface open, you'll notice a search bar. This is where you'll type Wix FAQ. Go ahead and type that in, and Wix will search for all related features and apps. After a moment, you should see an option labeled Wix FAQ. When you see it, click on it to proceed. Once you've selected Wix FAQ, you'll be taken to a page where you can add this feature to your site. Look for the button that says Add to Site. Sometimes if you've used this feature before, the button might say Add Again. Either way, click on the button and Wix will begin adding the FAQ feature to your website. When the FAQ feature has been successfully added, the next step is to manage the content. You'll see an option that says Manage FAQs. Click on that and you'll be taken to a section where you can fully customize your FAQ page. This is where the real work begins, so get ready to start creating. To add your first question and answer, click on the Add New button. This will allow you to create a new entry. Begin by typing in a question that your visitors might frequently ask. Then, in the corresponding field, write a clear, concise answer to that question. Repeat this process for all the questions you want to include in your FAQ section. Once you've added all your questions and answers, take a moment to review and organize them. Make sure everything is clear and easy to understand. You can rearrange the order of the questions to prioritize the most important ones or group similar topics together. The goal here is to make your FAQ section as user-friendly as possible. If your answers are too long, consider breaking them down into smaller, digestible pieces of information. Clarity is key. And that's it. You've successfully added an FAQ section to your Wix site. With this feature in place, your visitors will be able to quickly find the information they need, which can save both you and your audience time and effort. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.